Equipment in general today is fairly reliable. If you can get there the day ahead, set everything up, get it turned on, running, and leaving it on, things usually have a way of taking care of themselves. Have I ever lost a session? Well, I've lost as much as an hour out of a session because of a failure of a power supply. You know, normally a power supply for a console is something that you don't have a backup for. I mean, how can a power supply stop working? You know, you ask yourself that question, but these things, you know, little things have happened. We've had some every now and then, you know, a marginal monitor amplifier will overload and turn itself off and not turn on again until it's cooled down. So you have to rush for the headphones so you can continue what you're doing, that kind of thing. I do remember a session at Aspen where we were, you know, 5 minutes before the festival orchestra was to play, and we were at the board, and you know, the audience is filling up at that point, and you know, you really couldn't hear a problem developing if it were staring you in the face. And not until the applause went down did we detect that one of our mic lines from the main pair, the main stereo pair, well, something was wrong in one channel. It turned out to be a connection. And thank God we had working at that point well, we had two flanking Omnis out, and then we had the AKG 422 microphone at the time. So I said, well, what do we do? Well, it's very simple. You pull the fader down, you go to the pattern control on the little blue box, and you turn the one that you do have to Omni. And then you pan that one in the middle. So you now have left, center, right Omnis, and you do it like we used to do it years ago. Anybody who thinks he has trade secrets is a fool. The people around us who want to learn deserve to know all of our secrets, quote unquote. And I gladly give willingly at all of these schools where I teach. And anything that I do, any recording I've made, I'm happy to show people my notes, to show them the settings on the console, the measurements on mic positions, the serial numbers on mics, and that kind of thing. And say, if you want to have secrets, write them in here. Make a Xerox of this. Take it and look at it. Don't copy it. It won't do you any good unless you're in that same room. However, there are trade skills. And the trade skills are what you learn to do when something goes wrong. It's like an airline pilot who has been through thick and thin and has done his share of rough landings, so he knows how to handle them.